Today we are going to see the next property, that is the distributive property of multiplication over addition for the whole numbers. So in previous session we have discussed about the closure property, associative property and the commutative property for the whole numbers, and today we are going to see the distributivity of multiplication over addition. So here there are two operations involving, one is the multiplication and another one is the addition. See, this is the general form for the distributive property, that means A into within the bracket B plus C is equal to, first you have to multiply A and B. So A into B plus A into C. So this is the general form for the distributive property and this is the condition for the distributive property. So for whole numbers, natural numbers, integers, anyhow this is the main and the general form for the distributive property. So A into B plus C is equal to A into B, that will becomes in one bracket, and between this A into B and A into C the main operation is addition. So A into B plus A into C. See, now let us solve this problem by using the distributivity. This is your example problem. See here. So what is the number is given? 12 into 35. So this you already know how to solve 12 and 35. That means you know how to multiply 12 and 35. See here, but by using the distributive property we see how to solve this. So first split this 35 into 35 by using 5. How will you split 30 plus 5? So see, first you have to split 35 by 30 plus 5. So now we can get the general form for the distributive property. See here it involves multiplication and also the addition. So now here we have two operations, one is multiplication and one is the addition. Now by using the distributive property we shall solve this. So what is given? 12 into 30 plus 5. Now you compare this into the general form. Here instead of A, what is given? A is 12. So you have consider A as 12. And instead of B, you simply compare this. So instead of B, what number we are having here? 30. So B value takes 30. And C value. So instead of C, what is having here? 5. So C takes the value of 5. Now you apply the distributive property. So what is distributive property? A into B plus C equal to A into B plus A into C. So that is 12 into B value is 30. 30 plus 5 equal to, first A into B, A value is 12. So 12 into B value is 30. 12 into 30 plus A into C. A value is 12 and C value is how much? 5. 12 into 5. Now you multiply. First according to the BODMAS rule, first solve the bracket. So 12 into 30. First you multiply 12 and 3. 12 3s are 36 and put 0 as it is. Plus here 12 into 5. 12 into when you multiply 12 and 5 will get 60. Now you add 30 and 60. So next step, remove the bracket. So 360 plus 60 you will get 420. So 12 into 30 plus 5 is equal to 420. So do you understand how we solve this 12 into 35 by using the distributive property? First you split the any one number, either you can split 12 also like 4 into 3, but it is more easier to split 30 and 35. That means here I have splitted 35 as 30 plus 5. So first you bring the question in the general form. Which is the general form here? A into B plus C is the general form. So 12 into 35 is splitted as 30 plus 5. So now you compare the general form and the splitted form. So see here A value takes 12 and so here you just compare this general form and the splitted form. So நான் split பண்ணி நம்ம ரெடி பண்ணி வச்சிருக்கிறதையும் இந்த general form நம்ம compare பண்ணும் பொழுது A value வந்துட்டு 12, B value is 30 and C value is 5. Now You already know what is LHS and the RHS. Now you move on to the RHS. That means A into B plus A into C. That means A value is 12 here, B value is 30. 12 into 30 plus and A into C. A value is 12, C value is 5. So 12 into 5. If you solve this, you will get 420. So this is how you have to solve the numbers by using the distributive property. So now that one more example that we see. So now you see the second example sum. See here you have to simplify these numbers. So 126 into 55 plus 126 into 45. See here two operations are involved. One is the multiplication and another one is the addition. So if the two operation involved means we can use the distributive property. At the same time, see here 126 and here it is also 126. So if two operations are involved, that is multiplication and addition, likewise two numbers are same means we can use the distributive property. So see here first you write the distributive property. So distributive or distributivity for multiplication over addition. You write the heading and write the general form. A into B plus C is equal to A into B plus A into C. So now you compare the question and the general form. Here in the previous sum, here LHS is same, but in this sum here RHS value is given. That means see here A value takes 126, B value is 55. And here it is also A value is 126, C value is 45. So now by comparing the RHS of the general form on the question, you write the A value, B value and C value. So now you write the question 126 into 55 plus 126 into 45. So by comparing, you write the A values and B values. A value takes 126, B value takes 55 and C value takes 45. So now you are going to solve this. See here. So now what is the given? 126 into 55 plus 126 into 45. Now you see here 126 is common. And the main operation between these two numbers are addition. So you can take 126 outside. So if you take 126 outside means the remaining number left out is 55 and here it will remains 45. 126 into 55 plus 45. இது இப்படி எழுதலாம். Otherwise you just compare. இப்போ நமக்கு வந்து கொடுத்துற क्वेश्चनல வந்துட்டு RHS இருக்கு. இப்போ நம்ம A வேல்யூ, B வேல்யூ, C வேல்யூஸ் நம்ம எழுதிட்டோம். இது அப்படியே எடுத்துட்டு போய் இதல சப்ஸ்டிட்யூட் பண்ணிடலாம். So A value is 126, B value is 55, C value is 45. So இப்படி வெச்சு கூட நம்ம சால்வ் பண்ணலாம். So 126 into, now you add these two numbers 55 and 45. You will get 100. So within the brackets இருக்கிறத first solve பண்ணோம்னா 100 கிடைக்கும். Now you remove the brackets. 126 into 100, you will get 12,600. So this is your final answer. So have you understand in the previous sum எப்படி வந்துட்டு LHS கொடுத்து அதில இருந்து எப்படி RHS சால்வ் பண்ணனும் அப்படினு, இந்த சம்ல வந்துட்டு RHS கொடுத்திருக்காங்க, அத வச்சு LHS ஃபார்ம் பண்ணி அதில இருந்து இந்த சம் வந்துட்டு சால்வ் பண்ணியிருக்கோம். So based on this, homework sums are given. Exercise problems, you are having 4 sums. Take those sums as your homework. If you have any doubt regarding this, ask me through WhatsApp. Thank you.